Thanks, Rado. And now it's time to install the Sunshine app on our phones. So to get started, let's grab a USB cable. We'll plug in our device, and then we'll need to enable USB debugging. This can be found in Developer Options in the Settings app. But note that on Android devices 4.2 and above, the option is actually hidden by default. To find the secret menu, go to the Settings app. Scroll down to About Phone, then go down to Build Number and tap on that 7 times. Then, when you go back to Settings, you'll see the Developer Options menu appear. Also set up your computer to detect your device. Check the instructor notes for more details. We're going to continue using a device because it's faster and smoother for development. But if you don't have one, that's okay. You can continue using the emulator that we created previously.